loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Liz. I hope you are doing super well. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to review this product by Afrobotanics. It's called Amina African Triple Butter Deep Penetrating Moisturizing Conditioner. Okay, and this is how it looks like. So in this video, I'll show you guys how I am deep conditioning my hair and how my hair feels like afterwards. Okay, so this is basically going to be a review of this product. You guys know that I like to use the product first and experience it before I come to you guys and give you guys my review. So I've been using this product for the past 2 months now. I believe I've deep conditioned my hair 3 times already, and I'm still, it's somewhere, yeah. So today I just want to show you guys my experience, how the product feels like on my hair, and if I would recommend it to you guys. So if this is something that you are interested in, then keep on watching. Before we get into it, if this is your first time, I would really love it if you could go down below and click on that subscribe button now. If it's red, that means you have not clicked on it. Please click on the subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a new video. All right, so let's get right into it. So first of all, you guys, I bought this product at Clicks and it retails for, I believe, 79 rand 99. Okay, 80 bucks if I'm not mistaken. Okay, otherwise I'll put the price somewhere here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the consistency of the product. We're just gonna open it. Like I said, I've used it a lot. I don't know if you guys can see, so let me show you guys the consistency. So this is the consistency, you guys. As you can see, it's a thick product. So this is a thick product, you guys. If you've been watching my natural hair videos for a while now, I'm sure you know that my hair loves thick products. Like, it goes very well with thick products. And by the way, guys, my hair is 4B 4C. Okay, anyways, let me read the claims to you guys, because we obviously need to know what the product claims to do first, and then I'll tell you guys if the claims are real or if it actually works. Okay, it says that this is the best conditioner for long-term repair and conditioning. It's high content of natural oils for nourishment and strengthening. It also claims that it deeply penetrates hair, detangles and softens your hair. This conditioner is the best conditioner for African hair, which is naturally dry. Whether it is natural, relaxed or color treated hair, you can still use it. So it says that this conditioner is super hydrating, and it is 98% natural and 2% synthetic fragrance. Okay, so those are some of the claims which are written here on the packaging, and of course there are more claims, but I don't want to make this video very long. I'm going to add it somewhere on the screen, as well as the ingredients. Okay, you guys, so the main reason why I wanted to go ahead and try this product is simply because it includes a blend of quite a lot of natural oils, which I love, and it's also like good for your hair. Another thing I want to mention, you guys, is the first ingredient in this product is actually aqua, which is water. It's advisable, or it's very important to always make sure that when you are buying your natural hair product or your hair product, aqua should be the first ingredients. Okay, so the first 3 ingredients are actually coconut oil, castor oil and shea butter. I love coconut oil, I love castor oil, as well as shea butter. I use these 3 products every time I treat my hair. So anyways, now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how I was washing my hair, and then I'll be back to give you guys my final thought. So this is how my hair looks like, you guys. My hair is a little bit dry because I haven't deep conditioned it for 2 weeks now. I had breakouts on my hair and I just unraveled it now. As I started applying the product on my hair, you guys, I could feel like this is a great product, okay? The reason why I'm saying this is simply because I know when a product is good, I can tell already from the beginning when I start using the product. And you guys know that I absolutely love product with slip in it. So there are a lot of slip in this product, you guys. I mean, as you guys can see, I am able to detangle my hair easily. Curls are popping, guys. Like I said, I am 4B4C, but you guys can see the curls are just popping and popping and popping. Can you guys see that? Wow. So this is a great product. I can already feel it, but anyways, I'm not gonna give you guys all the juice or feedback right now. Just continue watching until I'm done washing my hair, and then I'll be back to just give you guys my thought, okay? After applying the deep conditioner on my hair, I went ahead and put on my plastic bag, and then I kept it on my hair for about 45 minutes. And now I went ahead and washed my hair. So guys, I am done washing my hair, and this is how my hair looks like. It feels super soft. I don't know what is in this product, you guys, that made my hair feels this way, but it feels super soft. And yeah, you guys, I'm back and I'm here to give you my final thought. Oh my god, my curls were popping, okay? I absolutely love the first 3 ingredients in this product: coconut oil, castor oil, as well as shea butter. So again, a little goes a long way, okay? When I apply the product on my hair, you guys, I don't know, I was able to use just a small amount of product on my entire head. You guys can see how huge is my hair. I've got quite a lot of hair, but I was able to use a small amount of products on my hair. So I believe if you've got a lot of hair like mine, you can definitely use this product for about 4 to 5 times, okay? But if you've got small hair or short hair, then you can use this one for about 8 to 9 times. I don't know, I think it all depends with the length of your hair, and yeah. how much hair you have in your head. And this product includes baobab oil, marula oil, as well as moringa oil. They've added them here in front of the package, so I believe these are like the 3 main ingredients. I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. I don't know why they added them here. So guys, this is how my hair looks like. It looks full, it looks super cute, curls are popping, and I absolutely love that. So what I did was to flat twist my hair. After using this product, I went ahead and used the Afrobotanic leave-in conditioner, as well as the African triple butter by Afrobotanics. I haven't reviewed these 2 products yet. Let me know down below if you guys want to hear about these 2 products, and I will make a video and tell you guys all about it. So my final thought about this product, you guys, I'll definitely recommend this product to you guys. Number 1, because it is affordable, and it is 500 ml. It's huge for the price. It's definitely huge for that price we are paying. Number 2, it has quite a lot of natural oils, which are good for your natural hair. My hair loves thick products, so I definitely love the fact that this product is thick. Okay, so when I was applying the product on my hair, you guys, I could feel my hair was very soft, and I could detangle my hair very easily. And also this product is super hydrating, you guys. When I applied on my hair felt super hydrating and manageable. You guys could see I didn't struggle to brush my hair compared to some of the conditioner that I've used in the past. This one is definitely one of the best, and I would really recommend it to you guys. I would say go ahead and try it. It is a good product. Okay, now one thing I need to mention, you guys, is that this product includes silicons in it. So if you are someone who doesn't like products that include silicons, then I wouldn't recommend it to you guys. But obviously before you buy it, you are going to read all the ingredients just to see if your hair loves these ingredients or not. Again, I absolutely love this product, and I'll definitely repurchase it again and again because I love it. So that's it, you guys, about this product. I absolutely love it, and I'll definitely recommend it to you guys. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already done so. Give me a massive thumbs up, okay? Like this video, and leave me a comment down below if you are already using this product and how is it on your hair. Does your hair love it? Let me know in the comment section down below, and also let me know if you are going to buy it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.